So today we're gonna play Dorset County on Roblox. It's this driving game. Now how do I get a car? So apparently in this game you just drive cars and follow the rules. What car should I get? Oh. Oh, it's in the way! I'm gonna get banned. Sorry, don't let me get banned. Don't let me get banned. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, it is.
Oh my god, it's like a real car.
Check. I liked it on purpose.
How do I start? How do I beep? Is that me beeping? Wait, no, that's not me beeping. What's this? What's this? Oh. I'm stuck! Help! Help me! I don't mean to drive bad, I'm sorry. How do I beep? Oh my god! There's a hacker! I hate this! Okay, going back. Maybe I should find like an isolated area. Oh, it's nighttime. Report pink. Bruh! Let me drive! It's the hacker! Oh, never mind. Okay, I was just pressing the wrong button. It's ST, A/T. What is this? What's TCS? I gotta Google some of these terms. I'm not British. Wait. Traction control system helps prevent, especially on. Oh, it's like for ice. Oh, okay. I'm gonna turn that off. Oh, now it's ABS. What is ABS in a car? Anti-lock braking system during hard braking. Oh, it's also for slippery. I'm pressing all the buttons in my controller and I can't get the honking right. Where's the honking? Wait, let me put it on park. I have to Google this again. How to honk in Dorset County on PS5. Oh! Press triangle plus L1. Okay. That's not it. That's not honking. Oh wait, it's a different game. Elite Dangerous. Oh, I can't honk or flash or use lights in PlayStation. This is so sad. Maybe I'll just move to PC. But it's okay, I'm gonna try to survive. Oh, this is hard. Do we stay? I'm pretty sure we stay. Oh. Am I on the wrong side of the road? Okay. Okay, I figured it out now. Oh.
It's cyan.
Why are you in the way? Bad driving gets you bad. Wait. How do I get over this? Okay, let me just. No, I'll just turn around. It's okay. Oh my god, it's the pink girl. I heard she's a hacker. Let me. Oh my gosh! That's a disaster. Let me. Ah! Bro, she's ruining the server. I think I have to speak in British so that I really fully feel immersed. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. Hello everybody. Welcome to Dorset County. I'm in my kick sportage. Oh wait, am I over the... Oh wait, that's okay. I thought I was over the speed limit. I was going like 5 miles per hour. Wait, no, 15 miles per hour. Bruh. Okay, now you guys clearly don't know how to drive. Okay? This is a highway and you're getting in the road, blocking my way. Okay. Wait, why is there so much coming soon? This isn't... okay, wait. Ooh, it's so narrow. Wait, I like this. Oh... okay, that's... we're gonna take a reverse. Okay, again. Welcome to Dorset County, where I can't honk or flash my lights or signal if I'm going left or... What? You're gonna get banned! Why are you not following the rules? Wait, there... Oh my god! I'm scared! Scary! Run away! She's like from the grudge! Boy! Reversing. I'm gonna go somewhere else. This game. Oh my god! It's a hacker! No. Yeah. Okay, let me... oh, it's so hard to... Why? Okay. I think that's enough Dorset County for today. Maybe I'll try another game. Oh! Yeah, I'll try another game someday. Maybe RC. I heard that's a good driving game. But yeah, that's it for some Dorset County. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.